ways in which we need to really think about designing space for programming is to think about two really important things. First of all, what are your core values as an organization? Secondly, what are the outcomes that you want for young people? So think strategically down the road, and from that you'll start to think about what the programs need to look like to meet those goals, and then the conversation around space follows that. And the last piece I would say is it really involve your community in the conversation around what the space should look like. That includes young people who might use it, staff who are going to be leading the programs in those spaces. They'll have really surprising and wonderful ideas and answers about how to make it really usable, and then family and the community that are going to take part. One of the really exciting things about engaging in the UMedia process for DreamYard was to focus in not only on the intense workshop time, which is the sort of the geeking out end of the spectrum, but also the studio time, the informal time where young people are able to work on their own projects. And to make that possible, you need to have spaces that are designed as existing studios. So it was very exciting to us to be able to take our visual arts rooms, which have been used for meeting rooms, filming rooms, screening rooms, and say those are our visual arts rooms now. Our visual arts students can come and use those spaces because we've designated other spaces to be the digital learning spaces, and then a couple of spaces that we've said, you know what, these are multi-purpose rooms. So it's really important to know which ones are the flexible ones and which ones really need to be designed for programming. And it's a great conversation.